Guys, naniniwala ba kayo na totoong baby mods na to sa Minecraft? Tara, tignan natin kung totoo. Ano to? Bakit? Laro ba to? Oh my gosh. Laro ata to. Huh? Laro ata to Laro ata. Yan. Laro. Valkorad Studio. Baka laro naman to Select for the skin for player. Mod na lang tayo guys. Mod. Kasi may skin naman tayo Privacy. Baby parrots. Baby player. Baby parrots. Siyempre, baby player.
I'd like to renovate the kitchen into the kind of wondrous place that is always full of cakes. I've got just the thing, and I'll put it right here.
Ano to? Mod na naman.
Yeah, take a look at that. A sign here, too. Looks great. Maybe over here.
Ano to? Mod na naman. Bakit mod to? Wala namang mod to Screenshots. Para next lang natin yun. Yan. Tapos, baby player is an add-on which makes possibility to become baby, also known as small person. In Minecraft Pocket Edition, the best thing is that it works for any custom skin. This is purely visual mode as it doesn't actually change any characteristics of the player. Uy! Health or strength. Oh, okay. Ano ba to? Puro ads na naman. Ano yan? Puro babae yung lumalabas. Pero, kinikilig ako. De, joke lang. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Baby Adam.
Kaya ang kumot mo dito. Asan kumot na
Mods add-ons for Minecraft PE is a free Minecraft launcher tool with which you can easily and automatically install the latest mobs, add-ons, maps, resources, and the skin for SMPE without difficult tasks like searching the web, saving, and installing package manually. Right out. Download na natin yung app na to. Ay, download tuloy. I-download pala yung mod natin. Hala, paano naman to? Watch ad.
I'd like to renovate the kitchen into the kind of wondrous place that is always full of cakes. I've got just the thing, and I'll put it right here. Yeah, take a look at that. A sign here, too. Looks great. Maybe over here. Some more over here. Is that good? All right. Now Mikey's kitchen is full of desserts.
Ito, yung kape mo doon. Uy.
Baby Adam. Tara, download na natin to. Save download. After installing the mod, you can immediately enter the game and press the play button. If you want to install mod or add-on, you can create new worlds, but do not forget to select set in resources, set or parameters. Click on download button. Okay, install na natin. Tapos, launch game. Wait lang. Asan na yung kumot? Ay, kumot tuloy. Ito, unan. Para makasandal ako. Pag ito, hindi totoo Pag hindi talaga to totoo Pag ito, hindi totoo. Tignan mo talaga Minecraft. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Please, sana mag-work. Ala, putik, may ads pa. Ayaw ka ng scrap. Pag ito talaga pag ito, dito to Sinasabi ko talaga sa'yo, Minecraft. Ay, putik, dito to Putik na yan. Dito, totoo guys. Peke. Creator, kung nakikita mo to, i-delete ko na to. Ito naman isa. Ito naman isa. Hirap kumuha ng skin dun sa craftsman building guys. Legit man na mahirap. Kailangan mo mag-wait ng pag nag-wait ka ng you can create a skin. Pokemon. Asa naman yung favorites? Asan naman yung Pokemon Universe? Ay, putik. Wala naman tong effective Hindi naman to effective. Pag nyo i-download to guys. Oo, legit.